Alright, so I'm going to unbox my birthday gift. It's a bag from Zara. I've been wanting this bag for so long. Been contemplating if I should buy it because I'm the type of person, I don't really step out of my comfort zone, and I've been saying that I want more colors in my closet instead of just black, the plain black and white. I want different colors in my closet. So my boyfriend got me this bag for my birthday. The box looks a bit distorted. Said that something in another container was leaking or something like that, and it catch the box. That's why the box looks like this. Here it is. So it has a card. Happy birthday, my heartbeat. Here we go. Here it is. So the color is, what color it is? It doesn't have the color on here, but I think it's called burnt orange. Or it would be on this. Not seeing the color on here. But yes, this is the bag. It has gold hardware. I thought it would be a bit brighter, but I am not upset. I love the color regardless. Anything too bright I don't think I would want anything too bright. I think this is the perfect shade of orange. So I can wear it like so. Or I can wear it as a clutch. Like so. So inside the bag, it just has one compartment, a little pocket right here, and that's it. The interior is black. Thank God. Sometimes the material inside your bag is a bit too light, and when you put certain stuff in your bag, it gets dirty, and I don't like that. I don't like when inside of a bag looks dirty. So I think the black is perfect. They never choose a better color. So yeah, here it is. I think I'm going to wear this bag tonight for dinner. Let me show you some things I can hold in my bag. Oopsie. I'm recording with my phone now, but I definitely know that my phone could hold in this bag because, as you can see, it's a big space. Can hold my GoPro, bottle of lotion, card and room key, charger, and car keys. Oh, lip gloss. I love the material. It feels so soft and squishy. So soft. It's quilted. The name of the bag is Quilted Chain Strap Shoulder Bag. And as I said before, it's in the color orange or burnt orange. I don't quite remember. But yeah, that's it for my little unboxing. Finally have another color in my closet. Finally. At the right time, baby, oh, I was at the